Have you ever wondered how a fluff ball like a Pomeranian could turn a house upside down? Meet Foxy, a prime example of a pint-sized tornado in the shape of a Pomeranian. On a seemingly normal afternoon, Foxy transforms a cozy living room into a whirlwind of feathers and fluff after discovering an unguarded pillow. As cushions fly and curtains become tangled, his playful chaos ensues, sending the household into delightful disarray. From tug-of-war with slippers to calm-turned-manic chases, this pint-sized prankster defies its size by creating laughter-filled havoc wherever he goes. In the end, even as owner and pet collapse in happy exhaustion, one can't help but love this little dog with a mighty mischievous spirit.